was the youngest reigning monarch. He took the throne at just 11 years old. So some thought he was fit to be king at that age. And then he was also the longest reigning monarch. He was king for just under 30 years. And 29 years he was the king of Hawaii. And like I said before, he did some pretty progressive things. First of all, he was the first king to offer education to the commoners. Before him, the only people allowed education were the elite, which means royal family. And then he also passed a land law that was called the Great Mahele, and that allowed both Hawaiians and non-Hawaiians to own land here in the islands of Hawaii. So with those two things, it kind of snowballed into the Hawaii that we know and love today. Now, Keauhou Bay, keeping your eyes on shore, is also home of the manta rays. Has anybody done the manta snorkel yet? Yeah, have you seen mantas? Yeah. Oh yeah. So this is one of the few places in the world that you can actually snorkel with giant reefed manta rays. Guys, if it's not on your itinerary, I highly, highly recommend. It's just an absolute incredible experience. This is where you'll come.